Hello class, today we are going to learn about text features. Go ahead and take notes in your notebook. I'll tell you what to write. What are text features? Authors include text features to help the reader better understand what they have read. Copy down the first bullet point, please. Basically, we use the text features to navigate a piece of writing and read it faster and understand it better. And there are several types of text features. First is the table of contents. Please copy down the first bullet point. The table of contents lists the major parts of a book along with their page numbers. Also, beneath the bullet point, answer the read question. Where would a reader find information about where an animal lives? Index. Index is an alphabetical listing of the key names, terms, events, and topics with page numbers. Please copy down that bullet point and answer the read question. Glossary. Glossary is a list of key terms in alphabetical order, and each key word is defined. Please copy down glossary and the first two bullet points, and answer the read question. An easy way to remember what a glossary does is to think of it like a miniature dictionary. It tells you definitions that you need to know. Titles. Titles tell the reader the topic of a text. Titles show the main idea of the text. Titles help the reader by letting them know what they are about to read, and titles focus the reader on a topic so they can make connections between what they already know and the text. Please copy the first two bullet points and answer the read question. Subheadings. Subheadings divide the text into sections, and subheadings tell the main idea of each section of text. Please copy down the first two bullet points. Text styles, so bold, color, and italics. The style and color of the text sends the reader signals about how to read the content. Now this slide has specific ways to read each one, but it can vary from book to book. So the important thing to note is that a change in the text style is trying to draw attention to that word. It can be bold, which is when the words are thicker. If you look on the left where it says the wetlands of the South, that is bold. In different colors is when the text is in a different color. And italics is when the letters are slanted. So beneath the bold, the wetlands of the South, you'll see the sentence, why are the South's wetlands so important? You can see it's slightly tilted to the right. That's what italics is. Photographs and illustrations. Photographs and illustrations give information in a visual way. Please copy down the first two bullet points. Captions. Caption explains what is shown in a picture or illustration. Please copy down the first bullet point. You can also tell that a caption is in play because the caption is usually below or above a picture. Text box. A text box provides more information than is in the text about a topic. Please copy down the first bullet point. Text boxes are usually used to provide extra information or more detailed information. Maps. Maps are drawings that show the basic shape of the land and other geographical, political, or historical features. Please copy the first bullet point. Note that a map is a drawing, not a picture. Diagrams. A diagram is a drawing that shows or explains something. To understand a diagram, the reader should read the titles, labels, captions, and numbered parts. Please copy down the first two bullet points. Tables. Tables organize a large amount of information in a small space. Tables present all kinds of data from numbers and amounts to calendars and menus. Please copy the second bullet point, not the first, the second. Timelines. Timelines show important events in chronological order or time order. Please copy the first bullet point. This explains a sequence of events. So what came first, what came next. That concludes today's video lesson. If you need to go back, go ahead and rewind and pause where you need to copy the information.